today we're making these delicious, juicy, oven-baked chicken thighs, perfect with literally any side dish. Let's get into the recipe. Alright, so let's start by marinating our chicken. I have some chicken thighs already washed, and I'll make some green seasoning using some ginger, garlic, onions, some scallions, parsley, thyme, rosemary, and basil. Here I have some black pepper, salt, sazon, paprika, chicken bouillon, and some rotisserie chicken seasoning. I also will be using some honey. So let's get started. First, you want to blend the aromatics and the herbs, making a green seasoning. Then add a little of that to your chicken along with the dry seasonings and the honey. Mix everything well to combine and set aside to marinate for about 2 hours. If you have time and you can let this go overnight, that would be best. So after about 2 hours, I went ahead and assembled the chicken thighs into a large baking dish. Then I added the remaining marinade that was left at the bottom of the bowl over top of the chicken. I covered it with some foil wrap and placed it in a 375-degree oven for about 1 hour. After an hour, you want to remove the foil wrap and place it back into the oven for about 20 to 30 more minutes. You want it to brown up nicely over top, and once it is done, you want to baste with the juices, and that's basically it. Quick, easy, and simple. And when I tell you this was delicious, it's an understatement. So flavorful, juicy, tender, and literally falling off the bone. I did serve this up with some seasoned rice and steamed broccoli. It was chef's kiss, and I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.